Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm doing a it was requested for me to use Khaki Sparkle again and create some kind of earthy toned look, or kind of use those kind of natural or nature looking tones. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video, so if you're interested then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with base. I'm going to go in my Hint Beauty concealer and just do a layer of this. And then use this as concealer as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set with the 100% Pure Bamboo Powder. And I'm only going to focus this in the T-zone area. And under my eyes. Then I'm going to give my skin a nice bronze with the Sculpt and Glow Contour Kit. So I've got it, I'm going to take the Champagne Illuminator to highlight my skin. Okay, for blusher, I'm going to go into my Nip and Fab palette. I'm going to take this one down here and use that to give my cheeks a flush. It's got a bit more neutral tone to it, so I think will suit the look quite well. Okay, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows, prime my eyes, and then go back to do the eyes. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is take the Zeo matte eyeshadow in dark brown on a blending brush. And I'm going to pop this kind of on the outer portion of the lid and through the crease. And I'm also going to take some along the lower lash line. Then what I actually am going to do is take up some of my 100% Pure powder on that same brush, tap it off and use that to kind of further blend this out, because it's going to give it a natural kind of gradient effect. But I'm actually going to do this on a fluffy brush, I think, instead. So I've got a Luxie 235 I'm going to use instead. Just soften these edges with that translucent powder. Go back in with that dark brown just to deepen up the edges, but as you can see it's just a nice way of kind of blending out and softening out a colour without adding another colour to it, and it just makes it actually quite a simple technique to do. And I'm going to go in with Khaki Sparkle from Lily Lolo, and I'm going to pick up on a brush and I am going to dampen it because I want that golden of just come through with that green. So I'm going to put this in the lid, swirl it around. This is such a beautiful shade, in all fairness. And the more kind of wet it is, the more the golden hues start to come through, which is very pretty. To be fair, that is so pretty. So do the same on the other eye, pick some up, dampen it, and apply. I'm going to take some on the same brush. I won't dampen it this time, if the brush will already still be wet, and just run it along this inner portion of the lower lash line. What I'm going to do is grab the illuminator again from Lily Lola and just use that as like a brow bone highlight. What I'm going to do is take the brown eyeliner from Lily Lola and I'm going to run that in the waterline. I don't want to go black because that would be just too much, but a nice brown eyeliner would work really well. I might just run some on like the lash bit as well, just to smoke it out a bit. Go in with mascara now and give my upper and lower lashes a good couple of coats. Okay, so on to lips. Now I've done this before and I really liked how it looked, so I'm actually taking the brow liner again but using it as a lip liner. Not going quite as heavy with it, but just and then taking the vegan lipstick in Stripped from Lily Lola. And I like it just gives a slightly darker look, and also because the Lily Lola lip liners don't go like dark with the nude, this is actually quite a good option and it works perfectly fine. And yeah, it just adds a bit of deepness to the lips. Obviously if you'd rather a nude lip, obviously go with the nude lip, but I quite like going with the deep lip with this look. I think I really like it. Okay, so that is this look complete. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any requests for future videos down below, and any products you're loving at the moment also let me know down below. Still on my no buy, but you know that won't be, well, 2 months and hopefully I can pick a few goodies up. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.